Most people are using AI completely wrong. They treat it like a smarter Google, ask a question, copy an answer, and move on. But the people who are quietly 2-3xing their output are doing something very different. They're not using AI as a tool. They're using AI as a coworker. In this video, you'll learn the simple mindset shift that turns AI into your smartest teammate. Let's be honest. Most of us open an AI app, type a random question, hope for magic, then say, meh, it's mid. The problem isn't the AI, the problem is the relationship. If you treat AI like a vending machine, you will always get shallow answers. If you treat AI like a junior coworker on your team, everything changes. Stop asking, what can this tool do? Start asking, what role do I want this AI coworker to own for me? Think of AI as your junior analyst, your project assistant, your brainstorming partner. First role, AI as your chief of staff. Here's how to brief it. Act as my chief of staff. Help me prioritize and plan my day. Then you paste your role, your top goals this week, your current messy task list. Now, AI helps you run your day like an exec. Second role, AI as your junior specialist. Whatever your field is, imagine you just hired a smart intern. You wouldn't say do everything. You'd say, here's the problem, here's the context, here's what success looks like. Example prompt. Act as my junior specialist. I'll give you raw notes, you give me drafts. Third role, AI as your thinking partner. Most people use AI to get answers. The real leverage comes when you use it to ask better questions. Example prompt. Act as a strategic thinking partner. Challenge my assumptions. Now you're not outsourcing your brain, you're upgrading it. To make this work, you need 3 rules. Give context, set constraints, review, and iterate. When you do this, AI starts feeling like part of your team. You now have everything you need to stop treating AI like a toy and start treating it like your smartest coworker. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. And in the comments, tell me, what role are you going to hire AI for first?